You're probably asking yourself, will this work for me? And how can I achieve my financial goals? People from all walks of life, like insurance agents, realtors, contractors, network and affiliate marketers, coaches, and any entrepreneur will enjoy true long-term residual income created from this opportunity. You just need to decide if it's time to take action now. The best part is you're getting paid to share tools that every entrepreneur can benefit from in order to generate leads and grow your business online. Isn't it time for you to take action and live the lifestyle you've always dreamed of? Now, let's cover our compensation plan and how you'll get paid. Let's focus on 5 components of the plan that show you how to make money right away sharing the tools while you are using the tools to grow your main business focus and how growing a team can create residual income. First, let's highlight how you can make immediate commissions by sharing our software with other business builders. You will earn $35 to $130 referring others to our software. As you are aware, millions of people are using social media to build a business every day. This is your opportunity to take advantage of the millions of entrepreneurs growing a business online. The more you share, the more you earn. A generous $35 to $130 commission. Imagine the possibilities if you already have an existing network building as well. It helps them generate more leads, free up more time, and stay organized. So how does this work? You earn fast action money and growth bonuses. These increase as you unlock each step of the referral rewards program. Choose your package. For team growth building bonuses, you can choose between a $97 to a $367 package. When you become a business builder, simply build teams of 5 to advance through the referral rewards bonus rank system. Let's explain how this works. Step 1, get your first 2 package referrals. And now you're qualified to unlock the first growth bonus. Yeah, since you've referred 2, now you are able to earn fast action money through 4 levels. So you're also qualified to begin earning the marketing director growth bonus. Depending on the referral reward level you've unlocked, as you grow your income, potential is endless, paying up to 12 levels of fast action and infinity deep growth bonuses. You have 4 different teams or business centers that increase income potential. Think of each rank as its own business center that pays you up to 12 tiers and infinity down in your team here. Step 2, refer 5 packages to unlock executive director growth bonuses. Earn between $45 to $90 per person residually each month that they are active. Plus earn up to $90 between your fast action money through level 6 and the executive growth bonus that is infinity deep. Step 3, refer 5 packages again. And now you've unlocked regional director growth bonuses. Earn between $55 to $110 per person residually each month that they are active. Plus earn up to $110 between fast action money through levels 9 and the regional growth bonus is infinity. Step 4, rinse and repeat. Refer 5 packages again. And now you've unlocked national director growth bonuses. Congratulations. You are at the top of the compensation plan. Now you will earn between $65 to $130 per person residual each month that they are active, plus earn up to $130 between fast action money through levels 12 and the national director growth bonuses infinity deep. Let's examine what this might resemble across your 4 business centers. Let's recap. Refer your first 2 and qualify. Now you're ready to start your first business center. You have the potential to earn between $175 to $650 with our 5-team structure as you unlock each business center. Go build 4 business centers, and in doing so, you will earn between $1,000 to $2,000. Now that you've built your teams of 5, simply duplicate your success down in your business centers to grow your depth in each. By the way, we know that 90% of people only refer 1, and that's okay. As a builder, you're still reaping the rewards. Here's how this can look. If everyone refers just 1, most people look at this example and think you are only paid 4 levels deep of fast action money in your marketing director tier. This is not the case. As you go through the ranks, you will begin to earn up to 12 levels deep on every ranks as you unlock them. Well, don't stop there. In our comp plan, as you achieve higher ranks, you unlock fast action money on your lower business centers to pay you even more. Although fast action is only limited to the rank as far as levels go. Your growth bonuses go to infinity, so you will always be paid on everyone's first and second referral all the way down. The more people you help refer 1 or 2, the more money you will make in our infinity plan. And your earnings never stop in this example. If you just refer just 5 in the marketing director plan, and each refers just one, you will earn approximately $1,300. When you achieve executive and each one refers one unlocking through level 6, you can see you will earn approximately $2,500. Same scenario, looking at regional and national rank, unlocking levels 9 through 12, that's another $12,000 approximately, bringing you to around $16,000 with less than 200 active business builders. This example isn't even showing the growth that is continuing to happen beyond the levels as you are unlocking each advancement. As you can see, this can be extremely lucrative, especially considering you're sharing tools that are working for you to grow your online business. Whether you want to earn $1,000 a month, $10,000 a month, or $50,000 per month, the decision is up to you. I think you'd agree that you have a real opportunity to succeed, to prosper, and make a change in your financial situation.